Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and in this video today I'll be showing you guys 8 different things that you could customize in SPP that you may not have known about. And as a bonus, I'll be showing you guys a few more things that we can help you customize, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Alright, and starting off with the first tip of the day, we'll talk about changing the number of available requests in an order. To do this, simply navigate to any order that you would like to change the number of requests in, click on the action menu here, click on edit order, and then change the number of requests you'd like to make available for this order. Once you save this, your client will be able to make as many requests as you have given them right over here. As a bonus, we're also able to limit the number of active requests at any given time. So let's say you would like your client to only be able to make 2 active requests at the same time. We could limit that for you. All you have to do is get in touch with us and we'll set it up for you as you'd like. Alright, and for a second tip, I'll be talking about how you can embed something straight into your SPP's client dashboard. Let's say you'd like to embed something such as maybe an Airtable or a Google Drive folder straight into your client's dashboard. You can do this by navigating into your template settings and setting up a custom template with the name that you would prefer. Here you'd have to do the iframe embedding, which we have a tutorial for on our knowledge base, and this would result in a new button showing up on your client's dashboard according to how you set it up. Now if we go ahead and click on this new Airtable button that you can see over here, it's going to take us straight into the table that we have just embedded. Here you can see an Airtable that has been fully embedded into SPP with all of its complete functionality. For our third tip, let's talk about how you can actually customize and disable different emails that get sent out from SPP. To do this, you can navigate into your settings, go into your emails, and select any email that you would like to customize. Let's say that you would like to have your new invoice email say something different than what says by default. You could proceed to enter the new invoice email template, as you can see over here, and make the changes that you would like. Alternatively, if there's a different kind of email that you would like to not even send at all, let's say for example the upcoming payment reminder, you can disable this completely by going into the template and clicking on disable right here. Going forward, this email will not be sent out to your clients. For our next tip that also relates to emailing and messages, I'm going to show you how to customize your auto replies as well as your outgoing signature. You can do this by navigating into settings, going into messaging. And here, as you can see, you're able to set up an auto reply which would automatically get sent out whenever someone messages you while you're out of hours. And on this same page, you're able to set up a signature that would attach to all of your outgoing emails in the future. You're also able to set up reply templates for questions that you get asked frequently so you can answer them pretty quickly and not take the time to rewrite the same thing over and over again. For our next tip, let's talk about notification settings. Each person on your team could have different preferences on how they would like to be notified about different events. To customize these preferences, simply click on your avatar on the top right, click on your profile, and then scroll down to the notification settings where you're able to make changes as to how you get notified for every different type of event. Let's say I don't want to receive any kind of email that's related to orders. All I would have to do is disable all of the email notifications over here and click Save Changes, and I will no longer be receiving emails related to orders going forward. Alright, for our next tip, it is a quick one that involves changing the default status of an order when your client fills in their intake form. To change this, we can go into settings, then navigate to orders, and from here you can change the initial order status from submitted or completely skip that and go straight into working once your client has filled in their intake form. Another customization you're able to make over here is actually lock your completed order so that your clients would have to click request a revision in order to start the order again. Which subsequently you can also change what status the order goes into once a revision request is made. Another quick tip to show is the fact that you could change the name of any order that you would like straight from within the orders menu itself. All you'd have to do is navigate to your order, click on this little pencil over here, and change the title to anything you would like. And now, only this order is going to have this different name. Any future orders made with the same service are going to have the monthly 12 included. For our next tip, I would like to show you guys that you're able to customize what your services page looks like into a table format. Usually, the services page looks something similar to this. But if you would like to have something similar to this instead, you could simply contact us and we can help you get this set up in case you're selling link placements or domains or anything of the sorts that would require a list. Another tip that's worth mentioning is that usually when you cancel a subscription, it actually cancels at the end of the current active date. If you would like to change that to cancel immediately, you could also contact us and we could help you set that up. Another small tip is we could change the default reply action for tickets. Let's say that you would prefer to have a ticket remain open instead of actually closing it as soon as you respond. We could change this default action for you to keep the ticket to open instead of closing it automatically. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope these tips help you improve your workflow within SPP. If you need any kind of help or you need to contact us for any one of the tips that I have mentioned, please do not hesitate to reach out by going to settings and clicking on contact support. I hope you have a fantastic day and thank you so much for watching this.